Want to build a bigger chest workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Today, we're starting with the cable incline bench press chest. Keep your feet firm on the floor and push the weights up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving on to cable fly with chest supported chest. This targets your upper chest. Control the weight on the way down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next up is the cable standing fly chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and feel the stretch across your chest. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now let's do cable incline fly chest. This is the best bodyweight exercise for chest thickness. Keep your core tight and go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5 is the cable standing up straight crossovers chest. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Next is the cable seated chest press chest. Lean slightly forward to focus more on your lower chest muscles. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next is the cable crossover variation chest. This helps in expanding your chest and ribcage. Keep your arms slightly bent. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now for cable bench press chest. This targets the lower part of your chest for a complete look. Maintain a steady tempo for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, we have the cable middle fly chest. Finish strong and keep squeeze your chest hard on every rep. Thanks for watching and stay fit.